Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the EDD error code E311. As per our research, the error comes when users try to file anything online. It blocks the process and prevents users from continuing with their submission. According to our research, this error usually happens if the information you entered doesn't match what's already in the system. Sometimes this may be because of an older account that you've forgotten about, or duplicate entries tied to the same information. If you're getting this error, then there's a chance you might have created another account in the past using the same information. Try to recall any older accounts or email addresses you may have used and check for that. If you are unable to recall any other account, the best option is to contact EDD support. Report the issue and ask them to assist you in verifying your account details or resolving any conflict caused by duplicate accounts. You can also visit your local EDD office. Make sure to carry your identification and proof of address. If the system isn't accepting your information online, going in person might help verify your details. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.